Thinking about putting your shed up against a wall or a fence? It can give you space and give your yard a neat layout. Here are some helpful tips to get you started. Smaller sheds like our narrow slider, flat roof or skillion roof are usually installed close to a fence. They are made for tight spaces and very easy to place. But you should never install your shed flush against a wall or a fence. Why? Drainage. Your shed roof should direct water away from your fence or walls. Rule of thumb, leave at least 100 mil clearance behind your shed if it's going near a fence. If your shed is under 10 square metres and no more than 2.4 metres high, you're usually pretty good to go. But if it is taller, bigger, or you live near a bushfire prone area, it's always good to check with your council on their regulations. One last thing, anchoring. A strong foundation is a good foundation. Securely anchor your shed to a slab, the ground, or pavers, even if it's near a wall or a fence. So let's wrap it up. Here's what you need to remember. Leave at least 100 to 200 mil clearance for maintenance. Check your council's easement regulations. Anchor it properly, even near a wall or a fence. Don't install flush against a wall or a fence. Don't skip drain planning. And don't assume your fence will hold it in place. Installing your Easyshed against a wall or a fence is a clever way to save space. But here are a few helpful tips to make sure it's done right. For more tips to make life easy, visit easyshed.com.au.